always handy to have a great little trolley that you can use to transport items around. Now, whether you're someone who lives close by to the shops, so you walk down to get your groceries and you need an easy way to transport them, or perhaps you are looking for something that you can use to take to picnics or to sporting games, or when you're just going out with the family. This is a great trolley. This is called the Easy Shopping Trolley, and I tell you what, I think they call it easy not just because of its easy storage, but this is the easiest to actually manoeuvre trolley I think I've ever had. You can push, you can pull, you can turn it in circles, and because of these great double wheels at the front, it makes it really easy to work with, and which is great because once there's a bit of bulk and weight on board, you still want it to be able to function really easily, and it's quite narrow, so you're not going to struggle in narrow aisles, you're not going to struggle pushing it between cash registers or the aisles at the supermarket. And not only that, I mean, it is empty at the moment, but it's pretty lightweight, so it means that when you fold it up, which by the way you can fold it up, it is made, it's nice and lightweight. So it's made from aluminium tubing, which we know aluminium is always lightweight, and of course the bag is polyester. So with this one you have the functionality that you need as well. Not only do you have the big bag at the front, which I'll show you in a moment, but you also have this removable hot and cold bag here. So it's got a little zipper at the front. I'll just put the lock on. The wheels are lockable too, which is fabulous. It's got a little pocket at the front there, which is always handy, and then it's got a double zip function, and if I open it up you'll see that you've got the hot and cold section. So that's perfect if you are wanting to go on a picnic, as I said, but also great to bring the groceries home in. And not only that, I can then, just with the ease of the Velcro, whip that off like so, and then I have a little carry bag that I can use on a separate occasion. So I don't have to keep the two connected to each other if I don't want to. I've got that separate, and that's fantastic. In fact, I could probably easily just drop that over there too when I'm out and about if I want to be able to just move that around. Now, let me just pop that aside because I want you to see the wheels and the locks. To do the locking, it's just like a pram. You just put your foot down and that's going to lock that wheel in place. And you can do that with both wheels, and you can do it with your feet, of course, which means that it's nice and easy for you to do when you're out shopping and you don't want it to roll away from you. When it comes to the functionality here, by the way, up to 100 kilos of weight this can sustain. So that's a lot of shopping, right? So if you've got that in mind, you can use it for that much, which means the frame is really strong, which is great. I love this little easy to use lid here because it's just going to slip straight over like so. It is actually metal framed inside here, so it holds its shape. It is removable. You perhaps might only be removing it if you wanted to give it a wash, but otherwise I can, or perhaps actually also when you go to store it, you'll need to remove this so that you can fold the unit up. In terms of the frame itself, it's a little hard for you to see, but the handles are adjustable. There's little buttons on the side here, and they're really good buttons. Sometimes, you know, you get those ones that are hard to, maneuver, but just by pressing the buttons at the same time, it means that you can adjust the handle as you need to suit your size. And at the moment I'm in heels, so I'm perhaps a little bit higher than I would be otherwise. Let's be honest, I'm a lot higher than I would be otherwise. So we'll drop it down like so. They will actually drop all the way down so that then you can commence the folding process. And there's some little buttons on the side here that you use to help you to fold it up. It's got this lovely padded handle for comfort as well. I think one of the keys with this one is the fact that it is so easy to manoeuvre. And with 100 kilos on board, I think you're still going to find it's a piece of cake to wheel around. Great for shopping, great for outdoors.